Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error code 600 on Roblox. A very quick fix. Now, basically, you have been banned by the creator for that specific experience or game. So what you need to do in some cases, okay, if you go ahead and create a new account, you clear the cache. That usually fixes the issue. You can just try clearing the cache as well. You just hold the Roblox app, click on app info. What I want you to do is click here on storage and cache, come here, click on clear cache, clear all the cache, and then try relaunching that experience. It should work. But otherwise, what you go ahead and do is create a new account, okay, and use a different internet connection. If you have the option, use mobile data instead of your Wi-Fi, and possibly you can also go ahead and use a VPN to change your IP address. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.